Well, that was a bit dangerous, and we have overrun. Where are we now? Next on the agenda is a Liveperson Bot Demo. So, Liveperson team, do you want to get set up? Who's going to talk about this?
Behind you.
Jean will do the filler.
Okay, so that's another integration on chatbot, where Liveperson is providing on top of their messaging API a chatbot API as well, and I guess the best person for that is Liveperson to talk about their API that they're going to do now. So we integrated basically SMS connectivity via RESTCOM and through phone SMS numbers into the Liveperson messaging API for this demo. So we're
okay. The screen is a bit smaller, but I hope I'll manage. So first, I'd like to talk a bit about Liveperson. So we developed a new messaging API. Our API is already in production, and you can see, for example, here this is the web agent, and we have agent from a call center connected to the interface, and we got consumers on a mobile app that will do a conversation with them. Basically, what I'm going to show is how to build an agent bot on top of our messaging API. The bots aren't really very smart. It's just a proof of concept to show how easy it is to write a bot. So we're going to start with doing a conversation. I'll send a message. I just need to scroll the screen a bit because it's too small. Maybe I'll do it like this. Okay, now we can see it better. Okay, so our routing bot answered my message, and he asked me to select what kind of service do I want. So for now, I just want to change my address. And now I'm being redirected to another bot that is in charge of changing address. This is like an automatic service if someone just wants to change his billing address. So let's just type in an address. And what we've got here is it's displaying the map and telling me, is this the correct address? So I'll just click yes. And it's telling me, great, I'll update that address and transfer you back to the main bot. So we saw two bots here transferring from one to another. And we got a very simple echo bot. We'll just do the basic echo of the messages. I'll just send hi, and he'll send me echo hi. Great, that's very simple. So, but if we want to now, as a part of this dangerous demo, what I want to do is change live the functionality of one of the bots and show you how easy it can be to use a different functionality. So let's just change the echo bot to a joke bot. I just want him to tell me a joke. So I've got here some joke API. Yeah, let's open one. Great, got this URL here. And it gives me a JSON. That's great. Let's take that.
Yeah, this is real modification of the code in real time without a safety net. Last time we saw somebody doing this in a dangerous demo, a large vendor was doing it, and unfortunately for them, the demo got ahead of the coding, so they got found out they weren't actually doing it live. But this is 100% live with no safety net. So Elyran is just showing off how good he is. So those people who have lots of skill can get away with this. Those people who sell things by PowerPoint presentation cannot. I'm hoping this is going to work.
We shall soon find out.
Yeah, we have the audio plugged into to your MacBook, so if the MacBook wants to tell us a joke, we might just hear it.
Okay, so this is the basic code, but I also want the UI to be a bit more nicer. So let's.
So not only
echo.
are you changing the underlying code, you're also changing the UI. So
Yeah.
just think, how long would this take with a conventional IVR type application? You'd be talking about weeks, months. And here, Elyran's doing it in minutes. And there's a very real danger that it might even work. There's no stress at all. No adrenaline pumping through his veins at this moment in time.
Okay, so I think I'm ready. Let's just run the service.
That looks just so wonderfully command line, doesn't it?
Okay, it's running now, and it already sent me a message. Now it's a joke bot. Okay, so let's just type anything. Oh, here.
Did I plug the audio thing into the right device?
Right, got an exception.
Oh no.
Oh no. Joke with not a capital letter. Great.
So what was I saying about how skillful Elyran is? One of the best on the planet. But even the best on the planet got to get the context right. We will get a joke out of this, won't we?
Okay, let's see the joke.
Yeah, but is it going to speak it?
No, it doesn't.
No, it's not going to speak.
it.
I thought we were going to speak it.
It says it's not that.
Well, what was the joke?
Let's read it. It's not that the man did not know how to juggle; he just didn't have the balls to do it.
Well, I think Elyran has demonstrated that he does have the balls to do it. So, thank you, Elyran.
Okay.
Anything you want to add to the end of that?
Actually, we have another surprise.
Oh, there's another surprise.
yeah.
There's even more.
Yesterday, we talked with John from Telestax, and we also decided how about adding an SMS connector, and we'll do the same using SMS. So right now, I need volunteers.
Oh, this is audience participation time.
Yeah.
So get your phones out, everyone.
Yeah, so what I want
And
to do...
this just proves that this is real.
So I just want you to send an SMS to this number, and you'll be actually talking to the bot.
So that number +1 201 241 3498. So +1 201 241 3498. Who's going to be the first person to?
Yeah. Do you have someone with a joke?
Yeah.
But this is the routing bot, and then I have to
Do you have to write jokes? Yeah.
So I sent SMS, and then I got the response, "Hi, I'm a routing bot. Please select your preferred service."
Yeah. So let's just write jokes.
So has anybody else got a response back from the joke bot? Please?
Please wait a while your conversation is transferred to the jokes bot.
Oh, I can see many visitors here. Yeah, we can see a lot of people here.
Yeah, what's the number
You're
again?
very active.
Elyran, what's the number? The access number?
The access number, John?
Oh, right. Jean has got a joke here. If you can get up close to that. Just to prove that the thing does in fact work. So there's a joke there on Jean's phone. It would be.
As an agent, I can also see the conversation.
So what does the joke say? I'm going to read it. It says, I'm reading a book about anti-gravity. It's impossible to put down. Sorry, it's cheesy. Brilliant.
Okay, thank
So,
you very
yeah.
much.
Well, thank you, Elyran.